Happy Saturday morning. It's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning. I hope everybody's doing well. We're cleaning up another motorhome today, and we're going to be taking three processes to cleaning this up. You can take a look around. There was a cat that was in here, so there's going to be a lot of biomatter and proteins and things of that nature, whether it's urine, vomit, oils, whatever cats like to leave behind. And so when you're dealing with pets, you're dealing with odor, and then you're also dealing with the proteins and things that they like to leave behind. So the three steps that we're going to take today is I'm going to pre-treat with some Odorcide first. I'm going to put it into our ULV Fogger here. We're going to distribute it throughout the motorhome pretty well. I don't smell terrible odor, but we're probably just going to quickly mist over the headboard and the walls and all that. That'll just help to attack any odors that might be absorbed into the paneling of the motorhome. As well, the wood, a very light misting isn't going to hurt anything. And we might as well touch up the upholstery real quick with it as well. So that's the first process. And while that is sitting and drying for about 45 minutes, we'll go ahead and take lunch. And when we come back, we are going to use a high pH product in cleaning. It's got a citrus compound in there that will help to break down and emulsify any of the nasties that are in the carpeting. Typically, I wouldn't use this in a residential application. If I did, it would be cut down like 50-50 with another product. But in here, with synthetic carpeting, pretty much in all RVs, boats, trailers, what have you, even in vehicles, it's all synthetic carpeting. And I tend to like the high pH stuff because it just helps to attack the most variety of things that could possibly be in the carpeting. So we'll go ahead and we'll give everything a good rinse just to get as much debris and gunk out of the floors and the carpeting. And we'll go ahead and we'll clean the upholstery as well using an upholstery tool. And then finally, we're going to post-treat with back-out. And what back-out is, it's a very unique enzyme cleaner. It doesn't have any residue or anything like that in it, so you can use it as a post-treatment, and it will continue digesting proteins and things that might be left in the carpeting or upholstery or wherever. And you won't have to worry about having to do an extraction after that, because it just evaporates into nothing and completely disappears. But in the meantime, the live cultures that are in this product will continue digesting and breaking things down for you. So that is the three steps that we're going to take today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment space below. And I hope you liked today's video, and then it might give you some ideas and tips on your own cleaning. And with the application of anything, you do get much better results by using some sort of means of agitation. So we are going to take this brush, this nap setter, and we're going to go ahead and make sure that the enzyme product that we just put down gets adequately groomed into the carpet. Okay, here's a little FYI, you guys. A lot of times dealing with these armrests can be a pain because they get all sweaty and stuff, with the arms and everything on them. But what I found that actually works pretty good is using a little bit of the LA's Awesome. Spray it on there. Give it a little bit of a abrasive scrub with the brush. Give it 45 seconds of dwell time, you know, move over to another one and get started. And the oil transfer comes off really nicely with just a white terry cloth towel, and you can see already that there's quite a bit of discoloration in this towel already of just sweats and body oil. So the LA is awesome, probably full of all kinds of residues, but just as a little bit of you know, finishing touches, it's probably not going to hurt anything, and it seems to work really well. Alright, so all the heavy work has been done in here. We went through, we extracted everything. I should say we applied our pre-spray, we scrubbed it in real well. We let it dwell. We extracted it all. We did begin the process with the Odorcide, and that sat in here for about 45 minutes to an hour while we took lunch. Came back, extracted it all out. It smells very fresh in here now. A lot better. I did notice when you stick your nose down here, this is where a little bit of pet spot there or whatever, it does smell a little bit, but that's where we took our back out product, enzyme post-treatment, that we're going to use. It is, like I mentioned before, absolutely zero residue, so it's not going to cause any reattaching of dirt molecules or dirt particles or anything like that to the carpet fibers. We did clean all of the upholstery. The upholstery looked really good, and like I showed in one of the previous videos, is that you can take the dollar store LA is awesome, and it does work just to kind of lightly just do a spray on there, and then take a rag and, you know, wipe off any sweat and stuff. We did get a lot of transfer of body oils and things that we cannot reach very well with our upholstery tool. So in situations like with the armrests, a lot of times it's better just to use a protein spotter or degreaser of some sort and take a terry cloth towel and just get all that transfer off onto the towel. And that seemed to work very well. We did it on across the headers of the captain chairs as well, and the armrests. And for the heck of it, for as far as being thorough, I also went ahead and did the armrests of the chairs as well, and across the tops of the dinette there, and that came out really well. So hope you liked today's video so far. We're almost done. We're not quite done yet. Now we're going to take the back out that we've just filled up in our ULV Fogger. We've got probably about 2/3 of a gallon in here. We're probably not going to use quite nearly that much, but it is in there, and it's good to go because I got another project that I want to use it on. So without further ado, here we go. Alright, so that concludes today's job. Thank you for coming along with me. I hope that I was able to address any issues that you may have seen along the way or were contemplating. And if you have any other questions or concerns, please be sure to leave them in the comment space below. God bless and have a nice day.